Introducing the 1952 Chevrolet Styline Deluxe, a beautifully customized two-door sedan that combines classic styling with modern upgrades. This vehicle is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, offering a smooth ride. It features a Camaro front subframe and rear end, along with disc brakes all around for enhanced stopping power. The car has undergone extensive customization, including seats from a 1980 Firebird and a custom dashboard and firewall. While it runs well and was driven throughout the last summer, it still needs a headliner and minor finishing touches. Notably, the front end resembles a 1953 model, and the trunk features a popper system. All four doors are available but not installed. This car is a fantastic project for enthusiasts looking for a blend of vintage charm and modern performance. Explore more details through the provided link. Next up is the 1972 Ford F-250, a robust and well-maintained pickup that has been a reliable daily driver for the past 4 years. Equipped with an FE 360 V8 engine board to 30 over, stainless headers, and a split 3-inch exhaust, this truck delivers impressive performance. It features factory front disc brakes, a smog-exempt status, and several recent upgrades, including a new aluminum gas tank and radiator from Summit Racing, a Pertronix electronic ignition, and an Edelbrock high-performance coil. The current owner has meticulously maintained the vehicle, changing fluids every 5,000 miles, ensuring it starts reliably in any condition. With a solid bed that once supported a camper, this truck has proven its capability on long trips to destinations like Sequoia National Park and Big Bear. Unfortunately, due to an upcoming move, this well-loved truck is now available for a new owner to enjoy. For further information, follow the link provided. Presenting the 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, a classic project car with great potential. This vehicle features a 305 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, offering a solid foundation for restoration. While it was running and driving a few months ago, it currently requires attention to a non-functioning starter, as well as leaks in the radiator and transmission. The interior has some cosmetic concerns, including the absence of a radio, but the body remains in good condition. This El Camino is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to bring a classic back to life with some dedicated effort. More details can be found through the provided link. Introducing the 1979 Cadillac Phaeton Sedan, a stylish classic that retains its original 425 motor, which runs strong. While the vehicle requires a transmission replacement and will need to be towed, it offers a rust-free body with no damage, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. The clean title and relatively low mileage for its age make this Cadillac a worthwhile investment for classic car enthusiasts. To learn more about this project opportunity, check out the link provided. Here is the 1970 Plymouth Fury III, a well-maintained classic sedan with a 318 V8 engine that runs reliably. Driven every weekend for the past 3 years, it has received several new components, including a fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel lines, and headlights. Despite a cosmetic dent on the back left of the trunk remains watertight and the brake light functions perfectly. With a clean title and a history of regular use, this Fury 3 is a fantastic choice for someone looking to enjoy a vintage ride with character. Further details are available through the provided link. Introducing the 1966 AMC Rambler, a true classic that remains in all-original, untouched condition. Featuring a legendary straight-six motor, this vehicle represents a solid foundation for restoration enthusiasts. The undercarriage, frame, floors, and trunk are all solid with no visible cracks in the windshield. The Rambler runs and drives, but it requires a solenoid replacement for the starter to be fully operational. With a clean title and an odometer reading of 54,098 miles, this automatic rear-wheel drive sedan is a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For those looking to restore a vintage gem, this AMC Rambler offers great potential. Next up is the 1964 Ford Thunderbird, a stylish coupe featuring a 390 engine and an automatic transmission. This vehicle, which has been owned for over 30 years, retains its original swing-away steering wheel and classic design elements. While it needs some work, including ignition and window repairs, upholstery touch-ups, and minor body refinements, it remains a complete car with immense potential. Recent maintenance includes new ball joints, bearings, and brakes. The car has been garage-kept for many years, and though it requires towing, it presents a solid foundation for restoration. A perfect opportunity for Thunderbird enthusiasts looking for a classic project. Presenting the 1955 Ford Fairlane 500, an original V8 classic that offers a solid start for restoration. This vintage sedan runs but will require a fuel system cleanup, fluid changes, and a new battery to be road-ready. All doors operate smoothly and close perfectly, while the interior, though complete, is in need of reupholstering. With 76,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, this Fairlane is an excellent candidate for a classic car enthusiast seeking an authentic restoration project. A timeless design combined with original features makes this vehicle a valuable addition to any collection. Here is the 1966 Ford Mustang, an all-original coupe featuring a 200 cubic inch six-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The body is straight with minimal bubbling on the lower driver's door. The car has been stored in a garage for over a decade, and while the engine is currently locked up from sitting, it remains a worthy project for Mustang fans. The dash and seats are in great shape, and the seller is willing to assist in obtaining a new title. For those looking for a solid classic to restore, this Mustang offers a strong starting point with plenty of potential. Introducing the 1963 Chevrolet Impala, a 4-door hardtop that has been owned for 13 years and garage-kept. This classic features an original 283 V8 engine with good power, though it may require a main bearing replacement. The automatic transmission has a minor leak, and the interior, equipped with bench seats and power features, needs restoration. Recent repairs include work on the brakes, engine, and minor electrical components. With 57,453 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this Impala is a complete car, ready for restoration. A perfect candidate for collectors seeking a vintage project with great potential. Introducing the 1968 Chevrolet Impala Fastback, a classic coupe that comes with a clean title and great potential for restoration. This project car does not currently run, but it includes a good motor, with the transmission stored in the trunk. The vehicle retains its original 14x7 Keystone rims and tires, adding to its vintage appeal. While the body is complete, it does have rust in the usual areas, requiring attention. Located in Las Cruces, New Mexico, this Impala is an excellent candidate for a full restoration. If you are looking for a rewarding project, this could be the perfect opportunity. Possible trade options include a square body K5 Blazer or a suburban 4x4. Next up, presenting the 1947 Chevrolet Stylemaster, a solid and reliable classic that runs great with a clean title. This well-maintained vehicle has an odometer reading of 58,000 miles and comes equipped with a manual transmission. Recent upgrades include new tires, a muffler and tailpipe, a master cylinder, brake cables, and a radiator, ensuring that the car is roadworthy and ready for use. Whether you're an enthusiast looking to preserve its originality or planning to add a personal touch, this Chevrolet offers a great foundation for any classic car lover. Introducing the 1966 Chevrolet Impala, a complete and solid project car that offers an excellent opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. This sedan features an automatic transmission, a powerful 327 engine, and an odometer reading of 100,000 miles. The vehicle retains all of its interior components, except for the headliner. Although it requires a mechanical fuel pump to be fully operational, it is otherwise intact. Some rust is present in the rear trunk pan and trunk deck lid, with minor surface rust throughout. The seller is open to trades, making this a flexible option for those looking to expand. This 1964 Ford F-100 long bed pickup is in great condition, featuring a 292 Y-block V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It remains mostly original, with recent updates including new mirrors, tires, shocks, a muffler, and a seat cover. The fuel system has been completely overhauled, and an electronic ignition upgrade has been installed for improved performance. The brakes were recently redone with a dual-bowl master cylinder. This truck is straight and solid, with minor cosmetic imperfections that can be easily addressed. Whether you're looking for a dependable classic truck for everyday use or a standout at car events, this Ford F-100 is ready. Presenting the 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, a beautifully preserved coupe that runs and drives great with no known issues. With only 12,000 miles on the odometer, this classic sports car has been well cared for. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth driving experience, and the vehicle's clean title offers peace of mind. This Corvette was cherished by the seller's late grandfather and is now available to find a new home. Whether you are a collector or a first-time classic car buyer, this Stingray is an excellent choice with its iconic design and dependable performance.